Wow! Today is going to be a colorful adventure. Look at this beautiful rainbow forest. Tweet, tweet. I am Ruby the red bird. Red like apples and strawberries. Tweet. I'm Sunny the yellow lion. Yellow like bananas and the shiny sun. Splash, splash! I'm Bubbles the blue dolphin. Blue like the sky and the ocean. Ribbit! I'm Greenie the frog. Green like leaves and grass. Ribbit! Hello! I'm Violet the butterfly. Purple like grapes and pretty flowers. Red, yellow, blue, and green, the happiest colors we have seen. Purple too, what a sight, learning colors is fun and bright. Yay! Learning colors with friends is so much fun. What color was the bird? Red! What color was the dolphin? Blue! What animal was green? Frog! Did you have fun learning colors and animals with me? Then don't forget to subscribe, like, and join our magical adventures!